What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another cloudy day in Amarillo, Texas. We have our flashlight shootout this weekend, Saturday. On Friday, we actually have a test and tune session. And then on Saturday, that door just closed itself. On Saturday, we actually have our flashlight shootout. It is the last race of the season at Amarillo Dragway. If you guys are interested, make sure you come out. We've added a few extra things. We already have $16,750 in payouts before all the add-ons. These payouts are guaranteed. So no matter the car count, these payouts are guaranteed. We've done an extra $500 bounty if you can beat Mr. Joseph Young in his Trans Am in the small tire class on top of the other winnings. You can win an extra $250 if you win the daily driver class in a manual transmission car, which is also cool. And we have a few other companies that are gonna be throwing some extra money onto these classes, which is so awesome. Make sure you guys come out Saturday, October 5th. Good morning, Misa.
What's up?
What's the plan for today?
You know what?
Take a couple naps.
So, I already took one. So I think two more are necessary.
3 naps to wrap a car. So we got the Charger finished. Randy coated it. I'm gonna drop some pictures here. So we took some light painting style photos in the back garage with the Dodge Charger. What was that red called? Smoldering?
Smoldering red.
Smoldering red. Looks super good. Was he pretty happy about it?
Oh yeah, he literally like...
Someone already snapped me him driving it the other day.
Oh nice. No, yeah, he had this like big old smile on his face. He couldn't even say anything.
Dude, it looks
and the
cool.
parents loved it. Yeah.
That's awesome. So yeah, that kid, does he live in Amarillo?
Canyon.
Canyon. This kid lives in Canyon, has a Dodge Charger. Super cool now with the wrap, and Randy coated it. That way it's all protected. It's easy to maintain, easy to clean. And up next...
This dude lives 45 minutes away.
Really? This guy drove 45 minutes. We've got an S550 Mustang. Ah, see, I thought it was an 18. It's not an 18.
It's
a 15 to 17. I don't know exactly what year it is. You know what year it is?
17.
It's 17. Misa's going with the 17.
No, he told me.
Oh, okay. So looks like he's got some SVE wheels on it. He's already tinted the lights. And he's got this badass Cervino 4-inch cowl hood. This is my favorite hood on the Mustang. Do you have the wrap yet or no?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow the wrap comes in. So we'll show you guys that color on another video. But this is a super clean car. Misa says this is the best color to wrap. Right? Black? Black's already the best wrap. He's already got some type of smoke on the taillights. It's not very dark. Corsa exhaust. Can you give us a cold start? It's manual, right? And it's a man transmission, MT82.
Fuck, I can't drive this.
Me either. I have an auto Mustang. So I really love the 4-inch cowl hood, but... I'm yelling right now. Oh my gosh. That is ridiculous. That is a cold start on a 2017 Mustang GT. That's insane. So yeah, it looks like he's got some Corsa tips on it. I'm sure it's got to be catless. That thing is freaking insanely loud. If you guys couldn't tell, I was yelling when he started that. That's insane. That's stupid. That is ridiculous. My God.
God damn, this is heavy.
Told you. So this is the only thing. Dang, he must have. Oh yeah, he did just put it on, huh?
Yeah, he literally bolted it on and came over here.
So this is the only thing I don't like about these Cervino hoods is they're heavier than the factory hood. So, but it looks like he's got stock airbox. Does he have headers? I don't think so. I think he's got stock headers. So he must have cat deletes though, because that thing's insanely loud. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's straight piped. I can't get up there to see if it's got cats or not, but I'm gonna go with at least straight piped back. If he's got stock headers, he might still have the cats on. That's insanely loud. God, that's ridiculous. That's too much. That's too much sauce. That makes my Mustang sound like a Prius.
So we're leaving the roof black, the spoiler black, the mirrors and the door handles black.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So are you wrapping it satin black or just leaving them gloss?
No, just leaving them gloss.
Oh,
black.
okay.
Because it's a gloss.
Oh, the wrap's gloss.
Yeah, gloss
Oh,
white,
really
white ivory.
What about this piece? I need to wrap this. I need to wrap mine. Mine's junk. It's got like scratches and crap.
Yeah, that even on the Type R's, we have this type of plastic too. It scratches so easy.
Yeah, it's got like a clear coat peel and then scratch. So I'm just gonna rip the badge off and then just have you wrap that. That's a clean car though. It's really nice. I'm just not a fan of how loud these cars are. That's too much. It's too much. But super clean car. Just a base GT manual transmission. But yeah, this is the hood I've always wanted. Even when I didn't have a Mustang, I always thought these hoods looked super sick. But man, these Cervinis are way too heavy. So the only other option you could get is like an Anderson carbon fiber one, which is probably the one I would get. Obviously, it's a lot more expensive because it's carbon fiber, but it's actually a lot lighter than the factory hood. The only problem with these fiberglass hoods is that they're heavier than the factory hood. But super clean looking car. So one of my friends, who was also one of my previous clients, he got me this poster off of Etsy to hang in the garage. It's awesome. I like that. Shout out Luke. Listen how much quieter that is than the Mustang. We're about to see how big a Dodge Demon is compared to a Mustang. Look at this freaking boat. Das Boot. Look how much larger this car is. But this also has 840 horsepower. That one has like 450, if that. Ooh, the menacing Dodge Demon. Alright, so this is the shifter holder for the Turbo 400. So just getting some bolts so we can mount the shifter to this little shifter plate. It's gonna sit like this, which is kind of interesting that it sits at an angle. Is that kind of weird? I don't know, usually shifters are straightforward, but this one has an angle, and the reason for that is because this one, I believe, is a reverse valve body, so you actually shift down. I got 3 gears and I shift down. Sometimes, like Joe's car, you shift actually up.
3 gears?
Yeah, I went from 10 to 3. I really downgraded.
Yeah, okay.
I broke the other 7. Shout out Ace.
How does that work?
What?
How do you have 3 gears?
A different transmission. It's just a 3-speed.
Sick.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed that short video. Sorry for the lack of content over the weekend. I filmed a buddy of ours' wedding, so that kind of took up all my time this weekend. And with the flashlight shootout coming up, we got a lot of stuff going on. But if you guys want to come out on Friday, we do have Test and Tune at Amarillo Dragway, 6 o'clock. I know a lot of people are going to comment and ask if the Mustang is going to be there. I don't know. I'm hoping to get it started this week. However, every time we take 2 steps forward, we take 17 steps backwards. I don't know. The thing's pissing me off. But we are getting somewhere with the Mustang. It's just taking a lot longer than expected. But when you're the first person to put a Turbo 400 on a 2018 Mustang, that's just what's going to happen. So Friday, we have the Test and Tune Amarillo Dragway, 6 o'clock. And then Saturday, we have the big flashlight shootout. Make sure you guys come out and support. Make sure you guys come out and race if you have a car that you think can take down some other cars. And don't think just because your car is slow that you can't win, because there's been some huge upsets. It's flashlight racing, so you might catch someone off guard. Someone may spin, someone might do something, but you always have a chance at winning. So hopefully we see some of you guys out there. I'll see you guys on the next video for some updates on the Mustang. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.